don't know. Sounds like it's that way. Fire alarm going off somewhere. Yeah, it can't be that way. Why is a fire alarm going off at midnight, bro? I have no idea where it's at, but I'll try to see if there's like a little icon for it on Pulse Point later on. Surprised there's not a cat in the bush trying to hide from me. Could be one of them buildings. They seem like they would have a fire alarm system. That looks like that might be a police car headlight, so could be some idiot pulling the alarm for no reason. But who would be in public at midnight though? Because it is currently 12:27 a.m. Yeah, that does look like a police car. Nah, it's not. That looks like a Hyundai, never mind. Whose fire alarm is going off? Weird. You know what? It sounds like it's coming from that way. And there is a pretty big building over there that would definitely have a fire alarm system. So maybe someone's over there, and there's either a fire or an idiot that does not care about jail. I might. Because that building I'm talking about is that way somewhere. Sometimes I can see it through the window when they have their lights on and stuff. Huh? Yeah, it's probably fire trucks responding. Because the fire department is like not even a mile away from our house, and definitely not even a mile away from wherever this is coming from. So they'll respond fast. I've come to the conclusion that it's gotta be coming from over here somewhere, probably. I would go over there and look, but there's probably homeless people sleeping on the tracks. Yeah, the thing about loud objects is when they're blaring, you'll never be able to tell where they're coming from if you're hearing it from a distance. Unless you know exactly where it's at, you'll never know where it's coming from. So honestly, it could actually be coming from that way and just sound like it's over there. Oh boy. That was a police car. What just dripped on me? Oh, by the way, it's late December and it's not cold out. Ain't that weird? Well, that cop's probably responding to whatever's going on, I'm assuming. Or maybe it's responding to the gunshots we heard earlier. Yeah, a lot of stuff goes on around here. Oh, yeah, rain was supposed to start, so that's what dripped on me. Not some retarded bird peeing, luckily. How long is this gonna happen for? It usually doesn't take too long for them to shut it off. I'm gonna come in the gate. Yeah, I might go back out there. Wait for this car to go by. What are they listening to? What kind of weird music was that? It's gotta be coming from over there, honestly, bro. Yeah, you might hear rain. It is indeed raining now. Which will start in like 30 minutes. I don't know why it's starting now. Yeah, I'm recording from my Snapchat camera, so it cuts off after 3 minutes. They've got to be getting in there and shutting that off soon, or at least finding out why it's even on. I kind of want a fire alarm system like that. If you know anyone who would sell one for cheap, I need to know. That car slowed down, so I think there might be an emergency vehicle. Well, someone's yelling, so I'm gonna go back in the gate. When the fire alarm first turned on, I didn't know if I should record because I thought it was coming from your video at first. Oh boy. Oh boy. I used to like the sound of loud engines, but since I hear them every few minutes, it annoys me now. Rain's starting to pick up. I'm putting my hand over my phone. Hopefully I don't look weird. Move my ER210 real quick. I know it's probably somewhat water resistant, but I don't want it getting wet unless it absolutely has to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's coming from that one building over there. I don't know why a fire or anything like that would happen, though, since it's made out of mostly glass. I don't know if it's gonna turn off in time for me to continue recording, but I'll record as long as I can. Oh, it's done. So someone arrived to shut it off. I will look on Pulse Point later on, and if I find out what happened, that'll be after this video. Or it'll be in this video, but after this clip.